Hey, right on time. I thought you would make it. Hey, tonight I'm going to show you how I take care of what we would call typically inexpensive clothing from China. And hello Pookie, in specific, we want to do some Shein clothing. Now, I know a lot of people say, oh, Shein clothing, it falls apart as soon as you get it. Maybe it's because you're not washing it properly. That's just a thought, but I'm going to show you how I treat these clothes and how they last longer for me. You might want to say the same thing for IKEA furniture. It's how you treat it. If you get someone to put it together professionally instead of you doing it yourself, it may last longer for you. I'll show you more of my IKEA furniture in future episodes when we're going to take tours throughout the house. But not yet. Tonight is for washing. So first of all, we have this lovely jumper that I recently got, and I've worn it for one time. You know, if you've been watching, I'm a one-time wearer, so I like to wash it straight away, keep it in fresh, nice condition. So it's a jumper with cut out shoulders, and we want to wash this separately from everything for the short cycle for 15 minutes. Now, I use these bubble sheets. Not everybody wants to, but I like them. I have other detergents as well, but just for this purpose, I like to rip off a small amount of the bubble sheet, just a tiny little bit. Doesn't cost that much either. Pop them in the washing section, put it on 15 minutes, and we'll come back later to hang it out and then to do some more things for 15 minutes that I will show you. First one done. Next one is a matching thing. I want to do it separately to everything else because it is a fairly fabric that would attract a lot of lint to it, and I want to do it separately. They're gorgeous pants. I want to take good care of them, so I'm going to do them for the 15-minute wash. Once again, into the washing machine. We're going to use this laundry bubble paper again, just a little ripped off bit. It goes in the washing powder drawer. We'll turn the machine on. Hello, Samsung. Put it on the 15-minute quick wash. Off we go. Come back in 15 minutes. Now I'm going to hang the items up on an inside line. That's because I don't want the sun to be on them, because the sun on the fold of the top of the hanging, obviously the sun gets exposed more, so it sometimes discolors clothing, particularly inexpensive clothing. You want to hang them out with lots of room to move. so it doesn't form a fold on top of there. You need to put it over a few different hangers. And then we'll put this one at the top, right over, easy as. It'll be dry tomorrow, and if I'm in the mood, I can wear it. Catch you later, people, and see you in the next edition of Laundry Matters. It's not a real thing. It's just videos with Amanda, and I've put it in an extra cute playlist called Let's Play House. Now, that's not in reference to house music, which is on other playlists. It's just about being at home and doing the housework. So I'll see you again in another video. Bye now.